Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. I just took a trade and the momentum was too strong, so I'll take another trade when it goes back up or um let's wait to see. Okay, it's not going back up. Let me take double trade so that I can recover in case it closes up. I was supposed to take the trade here. Yeah, I was supposed to take the trade here, but the momentum of the trade because of this first reversal part, see there is a reversal here, and after this break, for instance, we have this. You see, we have this now, right? We have this support. We have this support level. This candle broke, came back here, and you can see a a change of polarity, and it came back again, and I did a put trade there because I'm seeing two hammer candles. When you see two hammer candles going to a resistance area, these are not hammer, they are called what? Hanging man candlestick pattern. They are not hammer. At that point they are called hanging man, but at the bottom of a downtrend they are called hammer candle. So that's just for you to understand. So let's go on to the next trade. As you can see, this is also like a downtrend. In case you don't know, if you watch, there was a latest video I made when I talked about trend line. You see, okay, this is like a downtrend, so this is adding more reason for me to do a put trade there. And then this is the trend channel from one end to the other. You see, this is like a trend channel. You can see, okay, this is like a trend channel. So the next candlestick will be going down. You can see it's going down to this channel. I think I did a similar trade to this. Let me look at what is happening here. Wait. Oh, sorry, I had to answer someone. Okay, so from here I'm supposed to do a call trade now, but I don't want to do it because of the change of polarity that I am seeing already. Let me see. Okay, instead I'll do a call trade. I won't do a put trade, I'll do a call trade. I will show you why I am doing this call trade now. Here you can see this is a this is resistance, resistance, resistance. Now this candlestick broke and came back and made a support. So I did a call trade, although I did not get the right entry point. See, it's going up. Now, for the same reason that I did a call trade here, the change of polarity will also work in this place because this is support. Okay, let me do the put trade now. Oh, I don't know, the volatility is too strong, but in any case, this is resistance. It came back here, support, and it went up. This is support, support, support. This candle broke and it came back resistance. Yeah, so this is it. So this is resistance, support, support, breakout. It came back here as resistance, so I did a put trade, but I missed the entry. So let's say if I win this, okay, yeah, I won it. So this is how we do the support and the resistance trade. Now I'm doing puts trade here. I'm not supposed to do this call. The reason why I did this call because of this change in polarity here. So this is how we do the support and the resistance trade. So I think this video is just about 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes I was able to do 1, 2, 3 trade. So it's a fast video. So I'll wait again so that I can do more trades because there are still opportunities. So let's wait. Let me wait to see what we have. Um, at the close of this candle, I'll still do some more trades so that we can. Okay, okay. Let's wait and see. Okay. So I'll still do put trade from this week of this candle. I think I'll still do a put trade. At this point, I want to do both a call and a put option in the same candlestick. Okay, I'll do a call here, then it's going to go up, and when it goes up I'll do a put option. So I'm doing a call trade and a put trade in just one candlestick. Oh, I could not, because definitely this candlestick is going to close like this, just like this. You understand why? Because of this uncertainty at this middle of this range. So it's going to close like this. So if you do a put trade here, which I'm not advising that you start trading like this at this point, do a put trade here and you do a call trade here. Both of these trades are going to be directly in the morning. So let's wait to see what we have. One and okay, but I did not get the opportunity to do these trades here. So I don't know. Let me get a recap. Like I told you, the reason why I did this trade is because of a change of polarity. You can see the market was coming down here. We have support and it went up, it broke. Now this support came here, resistance. If I were here, I would have done this put trade, but it went back again, resistance. I did the put trade. Change in polarity. What is change in polarity? I hope you understand this when I say it. This is the change in polarity. The market came down and made what support here. It went back up, then it broke, then it went back to this place. Now this support now changed to resistance. So here now is resistance, no longer support. It came back here again, resistance again. So I did a put trade. So I hope you understand that. The second trade was this trade here. Now this market is a down trade market already. What I did here is simple. I was supposed to do a put trade from here because this is even a strong bearish candle, but I saw now change of polarity again. Where is the change of polarity happening? After this break, we have resistance. This candlestick resistance. This one again resistance. Now the market broke. It came back. It came back to that same area. So I did a call. This is why I did the call trade. Then the last one is this. Okay, the last one is this trade here. The last one is this trade here where I did a call trade, because if you look at this, it's at the middle. It's at the middle of everything. I was supposed, this is like a trading range. Here you do call a put and here you do call, right? But now it's at the middle. So put and call is like put and call are at are neutral. So when it came here, I wanted to do put, and when it comes here, I want to do call. Now, this is not a kind of trade that you should be taking at this time. When you are very experienced, you can do it, and in one candle, you can have two wins. As you can see, you see how it's going again from here, and this rejection is saying that we should do another call. But it's enough for today. If you want to get the ebook, please contact me at the WhatsApp address. Then I'll give you the link to the ebook. I mind you, it is not free. You have to buy it. If this is your first time, you should like and leave a comment to this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And until next time, take care and bye bye.